The takeout for the Thompson is located in what remains of the village of Lytton. Although 4 years have passed since the devastating fire, the scars are still visible, both on the land and in the spirit of the community. There's a lingering sense of loss here, a quiet reminder of what was taken. I want to dedicate this episode to the people of Lytton, British Columbia, and take a moment to share the story of what happened to this once thriving place. On June 30th, 2021, a wildfire ignited just south of the village. In the days leading up to it, this part of British Columbia had shattered Canadian heat records, the highest temperature reaching 49.6 degrees Celsius, the hottest ever recorded in the country. Amid these extreme dry conditions, and with winds gusting up to 71 kilometers per hour, the fire spread rapidly north towards Lytton. Volunteer firefighters fought to contain the blaze while RCMP officers worked to evacuate residents. As the fire advanced, propane tanks exploded and powerful winds overwhelmed the firefighting efforts. Within minutes, flames engulfed the village, giving residents almost no time to escape or gather their belongings. 90% of Lytton was destroyed. 2 people lost their lives. As of July 2025, only a handful of homes have been rebuilt, a sobering testament to the enduring impact of that day. That's 14-year-old me kayaking my first season. All this started because of my dad. He taught me how to roll, run rivers, and surf, stoking the embers of my passion for whitewater. 26 years later, and here I am, still doing what I love. Life is good when I'm on the water, surrounded by other paddlers who share my love for the river. Out of the 12 months in a year, you can bet I'm on the water for every one of them. Roughly averaging 200 days a year on the water. How long will I sustain this pace? Who knows? But I do plan to make every second count. Join me and my friends as we kayak different rivers, some local to the area and others much further away. These are my memories, and these are my kayak adventures. I hit the road for the Thompson River. 10 hours of driving ahead. It's a long haul, but with scenery like this, it's hard to complain. After a solid night's sleep, I'm ready for the first lap.
There's a zombie fish over here!
A few friends arrived a day early, eager to catch the river while it's in perfect form. The rapids here never disappoint. Every Thanksgiving, Sarah Jordan brings the paddling community together at the Kumsheen Rafting Resort. It's become a tradition. A weekend of whitewater, laughter, and on Sunday night, a potluck feast shared among friends.
I'll give you space.
With boats loaded, we set up shuttle for day 2. Like watching ants carrying a leaf around. It's like, look at the teamwork. The teamwork's amazing. It's not down yet, but it's only a matter of time. It's happening. Drink it on her. Today is a special one. We're taking Alyssa down the mighty Thompson for her first run. She's got a strong crew behind her, and we all know she's going to crush it. Get our boys home safely. Gotta love shuttle math. So I'm headed down to the takeout where we're gonna leave my truck. Austin is going down there as well. He's gonna bring me back to the campsite. In which case we will hop into Jeremy's truck, which is the pyramid of boats. Pretty impressive. We're gonna go to the top, and then Austin's girlfriend, who's not running today, is going to drive down in Jeremy's truck to the takeout and bring my truck back to the campsite. It makes sense. And the pyramid of boats will once again be a thing. So here we go. Shuttle cam. Everyone say hi to the shuttle cam.
Hello.
We're all in here legally. We're not even driving right now.
Saskatchewan.
Yeah, we're in Saskatchewan right now. I don't know how long the sunshine will last, but we got sunshine. Our final lap was a perfect send-off. Fast, clean, and full of smiles. Back at camp, I got to work on my contribution for the evening potluck: moose and deer steaks. Oh, I got up at 5 a.m. to head home, so I get back at a good time because it's like a 10-hour drive. I'm in Kamloops now. It was an incredible Thanksgiving weekend on the Thompson. The river delivered as always, but it's the people who made every moment unforgettable. Home sweet home. That was great. That was a great weekend. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, everyone. It was so much fun. Now I must unpack and then rest.